Morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hayden here, and welcome to another little vlog. Today, we're having some avocado toast for breakfast. Also, look at these flowers Mom got from the garden. So pretty. Well, the kids are out in the pool now. Is the pool warm? Yeah! Do a trick. Oh, wow, Eliza. Whoa.
What about this?
Okay, let me see. Whoa, a handstand underwater. Wow. How about you, Zach? What's your trick?
Wait, watch. This is my trick.
Okay. What's yours, Zach? Whoa! Alright, let me show you what Mom's making. She's cutting up stuff to make... Wait, what is it again, Mom? Chicken... Oh, chicken with coconut milk. And then she's gonna make some beef with broccoli over here, because that's the kids' favorite. They love the little trees. Gotta get those little trees. Okay, so what do you put in first for your chicken, Mom? The coconut. Oh yeah, there's some oil right there inside.
Chopped from this morning.
Pre-chopped garlic. Is that, wait, what is that, onion or garlic?
It's onion.
Onion. And then over here, this is the garlic. Wow. Ooh, it smells delicious already.
And of course, lots of
Ginger.
ginger. I like ginger. The chicken. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Now we're gonna add, what is bay leaf?
Bay leaf. Fresh bay leaf, but I also have
Now we're gonna cut up some limes, but also look at our flowers that Mom cut from this morning. How pretty are those roses and the purple flowers, whatever they are?
purple flowers.
They're herbs. They're lavender?
Overgrown herbs.
So pretty.
That I was going to remove. Sana.
But they're like
But then
pretty like that. You should
All
always
of a
do
sudden it has flowers.
that. You are inspired, Mom.
I can't take it out. I can't.
Oh my gosh, the kids are like screaming.
And I want my... This is what you call adobo sa gata.
Adobo
sa gata
in the Philippines.
in the Philippines. It's very popular in Bicol, in the northern side of the Philippines. This is our favorite food growing up. My most favorite food. This is my favorite.
Yasmin's working out, that's why she's making grunting sounds in the background.
Okay, I think there's too much juice on this.
I know your limes are so
juicy. So we'll wait. I'm gonna... Maybe I'll do one more.
Yeah, make it super juicy, Mom. Super
limey.
Yum.
So yummy.
That's what we like. If you guys are writing this down, because this recipe is so delicious. It's one of our favorites. And it's from Mom's part of the Philippines, where she's from.
It's from my hometown.
From our hometown. Is that all that you add in? Or no, you're also going to add in some jalapenos, right?
Yes. And I want to put some vegetable.
What kind of vegetable?
You don't normally put vegetable on it.
But we're doing it this time.
Like chayote. You call it chayote? It's like a squash kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah.
You're going to add a little water to it too?
Yeah. You can use up all the coconut milk.
Okay, Mom's adding the veggies.
I just want veggies on everything now.
Why
I don't
not?
want it to get old. The veggies.
You can put asparagus too if you ever have asparagus. I feel like asparagus would be good. Some potatoes.
Then we're going to make curry. It's curry already.
Yeah, but you never make curry. You never put potatoes in this. It probably tastes good. Like delicious.
Just wait for it the vegetable to get a little soft.
And then it's done. Alright, now it's time to make the beef with broccoli.
Beef with broccoli.
So we just have some oil here in our pan. What's first, Mom?
First,
the beef.
Garlic.
Oh, the garlic.
First, garlic.
Mom uses garlic for almost everything.
Yes. When I'm cooking, it's garlic, garlic, garlic.
Garlic time. And then the beef. Then beef time. Did you marinate it in anything?
I marinated in a little bit of soy sauce and mirin. And it's the sweet cooking rice, mirin.
Okay, so she used mirin and soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And
some pepper.
And pepper. Any salt or no?
And some sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
This will cook fast because this is for this kind of meat. I use what's that? I forgot. Let me see. Filet mignon.
Filet mignon.
This is grass-fed.
Alright, what's next,
A
Mom?
little bit of sugar. Maybe I smoke this one.
A little bit of sugar, and then what's next?
Some oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Few dashes of hoisin sauce.
And then some hoisin sauce. Is that it? And then you just throw in the beef or the broccoli.
Yes. Do not add water. This broccoli is going to get water a little bit.
You guys hear that? Mom said don't add any more water because the broccoli is just going to get watery enough already. So no added water after that.
Yeah. You just have to keep on stirring it. You don't want this sauce to be too saucy. No, I don't like it too saucy. It's going to take away the taste. You add water. It's going to be good. If you think the broccoli needs more sauce, just add a little bit more oysters.
That looks so good. And then once
It should be cooked already because we like the broccoli to be...
the broccoli to be crunchy.
Crunchy.
You can always cook the broccoli a little bit more if you want it more
Yeah.
soft. Just depends on you. But we like the crunchy broccoli.
When it's a little crunchy so that when you reheat it, if you're not going to eat it all right away,
Yeah, it doesn't become too soggy later
Yeah.
on.
then you can just leave it like this and then heat it.
Wow, that was so easy. That was like 5 seconds.
Yes, very fast.
Alright, you guys, time to eat. I got some rice with some beef with broccoli and then some chicken. Hey guys, it's many hours later. It was a super fun-filled day again of playing outside, heading into the pool with the kids. I'm gonna finish cleaning up around here. I did one set of dishes earlier. Now I just have a couple more to go. But I'm gonna make some Arby's curly fries right now because I have been craving these, like all of us have. So I'm gonna make some, like a little midnight snack. And I also found these Tyson honey barbecue chicken wings in the freezer. So I'm gonna put these into the oven as well. And I think I'm gonna air fry these. John, should I air fry these?
Will it take longer?
I don't know. I'll air fry a batch and then I'll fry a batch and we'll see which one we like better. Yeah. Ooh, taste test. Alright, I want to show you guys the food before they're all eaten, but I made the chicken tenders in the oven. And you know, they're alright. They're like barbecue flavor or something, but they're not, honestly not the best. But if you dip it in, this is a concoction of ranch and barbecue sauce. It's actually pretty good. These are so delicious. The Arby's fries are so good. They're so good in the air fryer. You just have to make sure to watch them because they might get too crispy and you can't really tell. I don't know why. Like, they just feel like when you eat them, they kind of taste dehydrated almost. So just keep checking them. Just get like a little piece and like try it. But yeah, they're really great. Yum. Hey guys, okay, so I am in my room now and it has been a long, super fun day. Our little midnight snack was delicious. Those Arby curly fries really hit the spot. Now I don't really feel the need of or want of any Arby's curly fries anymore, which is really great because yeah. Luckily we had some in the freezer and I was able to make some and they were pretty good. But now I'm gonna work on tomorrow's videos, but also do not forget, I extended that sale in the shop, 25% off. I think I'm actually going to extend it until Mother's Day of like this year, and just have like a Mother's Day sale all in all. And I'm also going to be listing a bunch of new stuff. I found some stuff that I want to list up in the shop, so expect those things coming up in the shop within the next few days and through the weekend and stuff. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm gonna try and list more home goods. A lot of you guys have been messaging me for more home decor, and I know I said I had a lot, and I do. I just have to gather everything together and photograph it and then list it in the shop. But I'm also listing some more handbags and wallets as well, and I actually just listed a few of them in the shop too, so go check it out, and a couple from my own personal collection as well. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. for the new video. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!